Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of precision and firepower to bring you the top 5 sniper rifles in the world. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a curious enthusiast, stick around because this list will blow your mind. Let's get started. First up at number 5 we have the Dragunov SVD. This Soviet-era beast has been around since the 1960s and it's still kicking. Known for its reliability and rugged design, the Dragunov has seen action in countless conflicts around the globe. It's semi-automatic, chambered in 7.62 x54 mmR, and has a range of up to 1,300 yards. This rifle is a favorite among military sharpshooters for its ease of use and durability. Moving on to number 4 is the Accuracy International Arctic Warfare, or AWM. This British-made sniper rifle is a legend in long-range shooting. Chambered in .338 Lapua Magnum, it can hit targets over 1,500 yards away. Its modular design allows for customization, making it a versatile choice for snipers in various terrains. The AWM is all about precision, and it's been the go-to for many military and police units worldwide. Coming in at number 3, we have the Barrett M82. This American classic is a semi-automatic anti-material rifle chambered in the massive .50 BMG. It's got enough power to take out vehicles, and its range can stretch up to 1,800 yards. The Barrett M82 is not just a sniper rifle, it's a statement. It's used by military forces globally and is renowned for its sheer stopping power and intimidation factor. Number 2 on our list is the CheyTac M200 Intervention. This bolt-action sniper rifle is a monster in terms of accuracy, with an effective range of up to 2,500 yards. Chambered in .408 CheyTac, it's designed for extreme long-range shooting. The M200 Intervention combines advanced ballistics with superior optics, making it a dominant force in the sniper world. It's a favorite among elite marksmen and long-distance shooting enthusiasts. And finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Macmillan TAC-50. This American-made bolt-action sniper rifle holds the record for the longest confirmed sniper kill at a whopping 3,540 meters. Chambered in .50 BMG, the TAC-50 is a powerhouse of precision and power. It's used by military snipers and special forces around the globe, thanks to its unparalleled accuracy and range. There you have it, folks, the top 5 sniper rifles in the world. Each of these rifles has its own unique strengths and has earned its place through performance and reliability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and stay sharp out there.